Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Legends Arceus on your PC. Emulation lets you enjoy console games on a computer, but it requires a robust setup. You'll need a powerful personal computer to ensure smooth performance and a compatible emulator program. Remember to always obtain your game files legally to support the developers. We will guide you through the necessary steps to get started and enjoy your adventure in Hisui. Choosing the right emulator is your next crucial step. Two main options for Nintendo Switch emulation are Yuzu and Ryujinx. Always download the most current version directly from their official websites to ensure stability and the latest features. After installation, you will need to correctly set up the console's firmware and decryption keys. Then, take some time to configure your graphics and input settings for the best possible experience. To truly enjoy Pokémon Legends Arceus, optimizing your gameplay experience is key. Dive into the emulator's settings to fine-tune options like resolution scaling and texture filtering for better frame rates. A dedicated graphics card will significantly enhance your visual fidelity. Don't forget to map your preferred keyboard or game controller for comfortable and intuitive play. Experimentation is vital to discover the perfect balance for your specific computer setup. Even with careful setup, you might encounter some common issues. Always keep your graphics drivers updated to their latest versions for improved stability and performance. If you face specific game glitches or emulator crashes, consult online forums and communities. They are excellent resources. Double-check that your personal computer meets the minimum system requirements for both the emulator and the game. Sometimes, a simple restart of the emulator or your entire computer can resolve persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.